It is, of course, a worrying trend because the Mumbai metropolitan region, which is the most congested and the most neglected neighborhoods in and around Mumbai, has now crossed the 1 lakh mark for the COVID cases. The region has reported over 1 lakh COVID cases to date, which is 73% of Maharashtra's total caseload. Meanwhile, Mumbai so far has accounted for 59% of the deaths in Maharashtra. Not just that, the key concern in the city still remains the low testing that has been done at this point. As per the latest data that is available, only 4,500 tests have been conducted daily in the city. Let's get you more updates now. This, of course, regarding Dharavi. Remember, which once was a worrying COVID hotspot in Mumbai, and that has now managed to flatten the curve and also seen a massive dip in the new COVID cases that are reported from that area. In fact, following this, the civic body has shut 2 COVID care centers in the area there as well. On an average in June, the area has been reporting less than 20 COVID cases in a day, which is an average increase of 1.2% compared to the previous month, which was 4.3%. The mortality rate has also similarly reduced to 3.7% now from 5% initially that was in April. Let me go across to my colleague Disha, who's joining me live, getting us further updates on this. Disha, good morning. The Dharavi model clearly is something that can be looked at in several other areas, considering we are looking at the Mumbai metropolitan area, which is also looking at low testing, the neighborhood is congested. What really worked in the Dharavi area that can be replicated in other areas in Mumbai?
Well, Apurva, where I'm standing right now is just outside Dharavi Sports Complex, and here I want to start with. For the last 2 months, this particular sports complex used to be very busy with, symptomatic patients being treated here. They were being quarantined here, the people with extremely mild symptoms. And right now you can see this is this center has been shut as there are no patients. So this is the success story that we would like to bring to our viewers about Dharavi. This was the first center which the BMC officers had set up here in Dharavi, where initially they had 100 beds, then they slowly, gradually started increasing to 500, 700 and maximum 2,300 beds here. It started off in March, and after 2.5 months, we are looking at the center being shut due to decline in the number of cases here. So this is one of the success story, one of the classic example that we want to show you. And what has really worked in Dharavi is aggressive testing. Initially, they also started, of course, door-to-door, screening of people, where at least 4 lakh people were screened. Then immediately they were being treated. People were being quarantined, the close contacts. What else really worked is the fact that how the BMC changed its methodology, after exactly a month, of course, if we can say, when the area was witnessing a lot of cases over and above 100, 110 per day. So BMC changed its strategy then, when behind every one positive patient, they started quarantining 15 people, because Dharavi, as we all know, it's an area which is full of slums. It also has buildings as well, but most of the new cases were from slum pockets, and that is why it was important to actually institutionally quarantine people. So behind one positive patient, at least 15 to 20 people were quarantined. So this really helped in bringing down the number of cases. Secondly, of course, as and when the area started seeing high number of cases, they started opening up municipal dispensaries and private clinics. They started actually having fever camps across the area so that people can come forward even if they have slightest of symptoms, and they can get the required treatment as per the medical condition. So all of these were the various factors that really worked, Apurva, here specifically in Dharavi, which has a population of over 10 lakh.
All right, Disha, many thanks for joining us and bringing us all those updates.